Let's about this dream travel with us. Next stop, football, passion, and pride. As the city light glows and the night comes alive, our journey begins. A road filled with excitement, cheers waiting ahead, and a match under the star. The stadium lights shine brighter than the moon. Every step closer makes the heartbeat faster. This isn't just travel, it's passion on the move, dreams packed in jersey, and hope riding with us. Let's enjoy the match. Under the night sky, football feels different, louder, stronger, more alive. From the road to the road, from silence to celebration, this is night football magic. Kickoff awaits. Light on, game on.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started. अपने
After a tiring match, sweet smile and tired leg. But food brings everyone together. Let's enjoy the food and the time.